How to restore deleted Facebook posts on Android. This tutorial shows you how to delete a post and recover it straight from your activity log. First, open Facebook on your Android device and tap on your profile icon at the top right of the home screen. After that, find the post you want to delete, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of that post, and tap Delete. From there, scroll back up to the top of your profile page. At this point, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your profile. In the next step, tap on Activity Log from the options. Following this, look at the icons at the top of the activity log and tap on the trash icon to open your recently deleted content. Once done, you will see all your deleted posts and photos. Facebook keeps them here for up to 30 days before permanently removing them. From here, find the post or photo you want to recover and tap on it. Finally, tap Restore to bring it back to your profile instantly. And that's it. If this Facebook guide helped you restore your deleted posts, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.